Good day, everyone. This is grade 12 Life Sciences, paper 2, DNA, Code of Life. Right. So 1.5.1, 1.5.1a, identify process Z. Process Z. This is our process Z. So as we know, process Z is what we call transcription, right? Transcription. Very good. Transcription. B, molecule R. Molecule R. So molecule R is what we called messenger RNA. Good. It is messenger RNA. Therefore, now C, organelle Q. Organelle Q is what we call a ribosome. It is a ribosome. Now, 1.5.2. Give the collective name for nitrogenous bases O. Nitrogenous bases O. So the collective name is what we call anticodon, right? Anticodon. Very good. Good. So 1.5.3, 1.5.3. Determine the sequence of the nitrogenous bases at area S. Area S. This is our area S. So then now we have to determine the sequence of nitrogenous bases. So it is A, G, T, right? Good. It is A, therefore now G and then T. Right, therefore now 1.5.4. Which strand, 1 or 2, was used as a template for the formation of molecule R? This is strand 1 and this is strand 2. Therefore now, which one was used as a template for the formation of molecule R? Therefore now, strand number 1 was used as a template. Very good. 1.5.5. Which amino acid, 3, 4, or 5, will be brought to area P? Will be brought to area P. Which amino acid, 3? Oh, it is 3, it is 5, and 4, and this is our area P, right? So then now which one is going to be brought to area P? So we know that 4 is going to be brought to area P because 4 contains of adenine, guanine, and uracil. Very good. Therefore now 1.5.6. So they're saying name the type of sugar that forms part of the structure molecule R, right? Molecule R. So we know that that's a ribose, right? It is a ribose, RNA sugar. Very good. Let's go to the following question. This is DNA profiling. So 2.5, the diagram below represents the DNA profiles, right, for 3 children and their parents. Only 2 of their children are their biological children and 1 is adopted. So we have mother, we have father, we have Helia, we have Priya, and we have Leo. Therefore now 2.5.1, identify 2 biological children. So then now 2 biological children are Hela, it is Hela, and what? And whom? And Leo, right? So if you take a ruler and you match the strands, right? The strands that are matching more, it is Helia and Leo. The strands for Helia and Leo, right? Therefore now 2.5.2. Explain your answer in question 2.5.1. So we can say all of the DNA bands from Helia and Leo match with the father and the mother, right? So then now they match with the what? With that one of a mother and then with that one of a father, right? So then now all DNA bands or strands of Hela and Leo they what? They match with those ones of mother, and of whom, and of father. Very good. And of father. So then now 2.5.3. Name 3 uses of DNA profiling. It is used to trace missing people, right? It can trace missing people. DNA profiling can also identify dead bodies, identify dead bodies, right? And also DNA profiling can also be used to identify genetic disorders, right? Identify genetic disorders, right? It can also help in identification of suspects in crime. Therefore, now let's go to the last question. So our last question, it is 1.4. The diagram below represents part of a DNA molecule. Right, so then now 1.4.1a. Identify the molecule X. Molecule X, it is what we call a nitrogenous base. Nitrogenous base. Good. Therefore now B, sugar Y. Sugar Y, it is what we call a deoxyribose sugar. Deoxyribose sugar. Good. Therefore now C, bond Y, it is what we call a weak hydrogen bond, right? A weak hydrogen bond. Good. Therefore now 1.4.2. Give the collective name for parts Y, for parts X, Y, Z. We know. It is what we call a nucleotide, right? A nucleotide. Good. Therefore, now 1.4.3. State the natural shape for DNA molecule. We know it is what we call a double helix. Good. Therefore, now 1.4.4. Name the process whereby DNA molecule makes a copy of itself. We know that it is what we call a DNA replication. Very good. It is a process whereby DNA makes a copy of itself. Therefore, now 1.4.5. Name 2 places in animal cell where DNA it is located. We know that it can be located at the mitochondria. Good. And it can also be located at a nucleus. Nucleus. Good. Nucleus. Nucleus. Good. So if you want a full detailed session on lab science, physical science, and mathematics, don't hesitate to WhatsApp or call the number on the description below for tutoring. Thank you for watching.